linguistics. Primarily, this is centered around linguistics because computational linguistics is centered around machines' ability to communicate language just as effectively as human, or on the same level. One of the big problems with that is literary devices. Machines obviously do stuff like irony, sarcasm, condescension, and all these sort of devices that meaning is sort of predicated on not the literal statement itself, but the contrasted interpretation derived from tone. So what I did was study a number of algorithms, primarily Google, Apple, Microsoft, AOL, and what's the last one? Yahoo. And I studied all their flaws. So I found a couple hundred flaws in these algorithms, so I started writing a number of different academic papers from a linguistic perspective. Now what I did was, since I kind of have a rudimentary understanding of linguistics in terms of the subsets, phonetics, phonology, more